So people me stuck in my car, can't come out. We see a piece of rain of fall. Yo! Adiana, I'm going to pick up a school, you know. See Adiana here. Can't come out, no true none. You're stuck. You're stuck. And then Adiana no feel so well, so me can't come out of the car with her. You see me I say? I put in my caravan visor so me can crack the window them if anything. Oh, me can shut off the car too. I'm done me shut off it. So me can shut off the car. When it now get hot now, me probably have to go something there. Like start up it back and make it kind of get cool back down and then me can shut off it because me can't burn up. I look at gas pan now in AC. So we there wait for if it cool down go in. I'm here see something there come them see a storm. Not sure if it's true, but I pray to God it's not true. Last night me hear some thunder and lightning and flash. Blum blum blum. I bear that me I hear. So me I pray and hope to God say nothing like that no happen. You see me I say I'm a bad quality phone, me have a video and I just a big gun up and make sure say everybody are intact and alright. You see me I say so no can comment and make we know so no alright. You see me I say no matter what I go through just make sure so no good. You see me I say and big up on yourself go there. I go and hold it same way guys. We get a camera for borrow. We get one camera for borrow. From my bridging. I just hope and pray say when we get the memory card to put in the car. I put my memory card and it not work. But JC same they put in memory card night and it did not work. So I say probably my memory card not good. So I just pray and put my trust in God. Say I feel with memory card I problem. So I will get carry back and just try back my memory card in there. If we see it work now, then I will buy one memory card and then video go up and running. So we have to just drop some content for 1 month straight and I beg you to give you the support. So if video them can make as much money so we can buy one camera for ourselves. You see me I say cause remember say I borrow we don't know when the person are ready for. You see me I say so yeah. So wow. Work that camera there and buy some and buy back one. You see me I say and then drop some wicked content so we can put back ourselves on our foot. You see me? When the rain or fall we know so we can find money to go buy with grocery. When I feel afraid can pay with bills and everything. You see me I say if somebody need a helping hand we can contribute. Because we know solution level being a help people but just because we don't know so we can't help nobody. So sometimes person reach out to we say we not have it for true. Things and time change, things rough. You see me I say we invest a lot and lose everything. When we tell us we lose everything where we invest, we don't see back no money out of where we invest. But the greatest thing me have the equipment them can try again. You see me I say so. Me not worry about and me not afraid because God never fail me yet. You see me I say sometimes God slow you down to push you way up. Because sometimes the enemy are what you see me I say. Because remember you know, man, spiritual warfare real, you know, man. You see what I'm saying? You ain't called tongue. Oh God. Deadly poison. Just one bad word somebody can say out of in the intention or speaking in the atmosphere and that can hold it down. So we have to pray hard and beg God to cut and clear, you see me? So I just that greatest thing I have the equipment them can try again. I have some pepper this one I set off and I go try back again, you see me I say. And even yesterday I watch back on the video them when I record the pepper them. I say yo queer the virus is evident to me but me never did I see it. You see me I say I never know say a virus so stuff for me I see. But so next time when I go back at it then I go have an understanding say yo if you use this and that and if I see that I come up, I know say I hit, you see me? So I can acknowledge it from early. So I now worry myself, just I push and I go through with God, that grace and mercy and just beg him to continue to go and open doors see you see me I say. And you see me now make nothing stress me because even when they I say to one of my cousins I say yo, every time I think about the stuff them, my crops them and see how much me invest and remember one time I say yo I'm not gonna hide. One time I say to him say yo I about 400,000 in my savings and I drop the whole of time invest it. Because I say yo at the end I go school and I have to make it back. I mean back at that I tell him say yo sometimes don't for my meds about him head hot me. That's why I say I must say no man not think about him and just know say you have the equipment them can try again so you just continue and do your thing. You see me so lot of that, nah give up. I'm just a go on. You see me, I say, so we just continue to pray for you and we are praying for you, and we soon come back bigger and better and stronger. You see me, I say. So we there, we just step on a low and I go and hold it out and I go and tough it out. You see me, I say. So, Adiana, what you have to say? Come say hi, guys. Come and say hi to them. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
I'm wet.
Alright.
Yes. Rain is falling.
Please
Me eat half a bulla, you know?
Yes.
So no bulla for you. What you bring home for me? We even she bring home snacks here the other, you know. Well, I went, I think last week, whole week or a week before she cried. Morning she cried. She don't want to go, she want her daughter. So I say she want to stay home with me, but she can't stay, so she have to go and get her education, you see me? And go to college where daddy never do. You see me, I say, yeah. So, peace out and big up on yourself, Lou. She soon be back. You see me, I say, I want to see me in a movie though. Make sure you watch a movie, you know, man. You see me, I say, Razor Blade TV, entertainment in 3D. You see me, I say, make sure you watch a movie, you know, man. And share it. You see me, I say, Hollywood, we are going next, you know, man. What do you mean? Razor Blade bring star. You see me, I say, and the man. Trust me, if you don't see behind, I would say to Lovell, say, if people should see behind the scene, trust me, when that give me flowers, trust me. I don't want to know give him when he decides, say, alright, he might upgrade for a movie, you know. I want to know give him now while he might do it, so he can encourage, because suppose when I tell me reach the time when he say, he might go turn the actor now and he start direct and, you see me, I say, if you don't understand me, I say, so I want to know give him money flowers. For I know a man thing up, trust me. And I like to work with him in a movie them. You know, like how some people two of them are director, you can't suggest certain things. No, the man, sit down the man, reason with everybody have an input more while, you see me. He don't sketch out in thing, but he show you a way and say, alright, so and so. And then he will say, alright, you see so and so, and he try and make you understand how you want the thing to deliver. You see me? Well, the people, trust me, being around JSF, me learn a lot. So when me see we watch a movie and something wrong in it, and by being here JSF, they make one mistake. So me see it too, you know, because of me the role him and me I get the understanding. You see me? So me I growing everywhere. So me I turn Hollywood actor. One thing me just want to learn now. You see how Jason edit more if you can edit good that way there. Yo, me no know. Boy, somebody tell me say, bro, how you get to put the thing them together so? Because me, you know, I know like movie shoot one place in a movie shoot, about whole heap of clippings, different angles and this and that. Me I say, yo, how you remember to find them to put them together? Me don't know if me could do it, but he had, trust me, don't give me flowers. But later guys.